Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of let me see. It's today Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, September the 14th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku and it's Medium Sudoku. In this newspaper there is also an additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus. I believe there are 9, and not all 9 I will solve. Only 5 of them, half of them, I will solve. So today a lot of puzzles. But first we will start with this regular medium Sudoku number 3389. 3389. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. I scan a puzzle. How about the number? We have a. Let me see. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is A5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then we have a 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. For the numbers 8 and 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Alright. We have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this column. So no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. as a pair. 8 and a 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing 5. And the 6 is missing 6. And the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 4. Alright. Alright. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this? No. We have 3 numbers. Well, need to wait. 4, 3, 8. Yes, 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. We have here 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 here. So this box should be a 6, and that box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. Then we have a 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. So the 4, the 8, and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 here. Only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Then 3 and 8. Let me think. 3, 8, and 6. Yeah. All right. We have a 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. One box left in this row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 number left in the middle. Oh, sorry, in the second column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. In the third column, 1 box is left for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. All right. All right. 3 and 4. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4, oh, no, we have a 4. No, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this. Need to wait. How about 8, 8. With the 3. Well. 6 in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Right. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. You see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column, I believe the 3 and a 5 again. Now we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 5. Then 3, 3. 8. 1. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Okay, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 5. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there, and a final 2 numbers. Again, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright? Definitely a 1-star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I have the feeling, if I compare, because this puzzle is 3389, so I've done more than 3,000 puzzles, and if I compare with the first puzzles, the first 100 puzzles on YouTube, I think I'm very, very improved. Yes. So the more you puzzle, the more you will be faster, and you improve your skills. So daily practice continues. Thank you again, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.